In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flag animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. We're going to create a smooth, realistic wave using just a couple of slides and the morph transition, so you won't need any add-ins or complicated effects. Start by inserting your flag image. Go to Insert, then Pictures, and choose this device to pick the file from your computer. Once it's on the slide, resize and position it the way you want it to appear. A quick tip: drag from the corner handles to keep the proportions intact and place the flag near the center for the most consistent motion during the animation. If the background of your slide is plain, that can make the wave effect more noticeable and clean. Next, duplicate the slide. In the left thumbnail pane, right-click your slide and choose Duplicate Slide. We'll use multiple slides to create the illusion of motion, and the changes between them are what Morph will animate. On the second slide, click the flag to select it. Go to Picture Format and explore Artistic Effects, or simply make a subtle change by dragging one of the side handles a tiny bit to slightly alter the width. You're aiming for a small distortion or a gentle shift in position, not a dramatic stretch. Think of it as nudging the fabric of the flag so it looks like it's catching a breeze. Duplicate this slide again to create a third slide. On slide 3, make a slightly different adjustment to the flag. For instance, if you narrowed the left side before, try narrowing the right side a touch now, or move the image a few pixels in the opposite direction. These small, alternating tweaks simulate the wave traveling across the flag. Keep each change subtle. The magic happens when Morph blends them. Now apply the Morph transition. Select Slide 2 and Slide 3 in the thumbnail pane, then go to the Transitions tab and choose Morph. Set the duration between 0.3 and 0.5 seconds. Shorter durations create a quick ripple, while slightly longer ones feel smoother. Apply the same duration to both slides so the motion is consistent. It's time to preview. Press F5 to start the slideshow. As you advance from the first slide to slide 2 and then to slide 3, you'll see the flag appear to wave smoothly. If the motion feels too strong or too subtle, return to the slides and fine-tune the adjustments or tweak the duration until the wave looks just right. And that's it. Your flag animation is ready.